If you want to see how this happened, continue watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm an Icelandic Chinese artist, currently based in Beijing, and I try to make weekly videos, although lately it's been bi-weekly. I'm trying to get back on that. Okay, it's just been it's been busy, and also I've been like on vacation, you know, if you check out my last video, I've like been in like a really nice tropical area south of China. But yeah, so I try to make, you know, weekly videos or bi-weekly at least videos for you guys. I'm hoping to inspire you guys to embrace your own uniqueness and just be yourself ruthlessly. And I'm really new on this whole artist journey thing, so I'm pretty much just trying to share with you guys how that's like, but also just share more of my life with you guys, what it's really like to be an artist, and a lot of, you know, kind of the psychological stuff that goes behind it, as well as sharing my work and the process of making stuff, and yeah, kind of the ins and outs. And if you guys want more content, you can also check out my Patreon. I show more behind the scene stuff there. So today I'm gonna be getting my hair cut. My mom's gonna help me cut my hair really short. I've never really had short hair in my life except when I was like in second grade, but I've just kind of got obsessed with it because I feel like it just makes me feel so free to get rid of my hair, and I have so much hair, so it just feels really light. Another really good reason for why I want to cut it short is that in a couple of days I'm gonna get a surgery for the scar that I have here. I'm not gonna show you guys right now, but I've had this scar since I was born. Literally, like as I was coming out, I got this scar because the doctor messed up, and I've just had this scar ever since. And it's like I feel kind of insecure about it because it feels really weird. I don't like when I can feel the air breeze over it, and it's kind of big. It's like this big, and that's also the reason why I haven't dared to go like cut my hair shorter. But now I'm gonna cut it much shorter before the surgery, also because I'm not gonna be able to wash my hair for 2 weeks, so it's just like the perfect timing. So you guys are gonna basically follow and see the process in this video. If you're interested to see the outcome, definitely continue watching. It's happening! Oh my god! I've had countless moments where I've wanted to cut everything off, especially during some of my more feminist moments when I was still living in New York. I would just have these urges to cut all my hair off because I couldn't stand my identity being tied to my looks or how people thought I looked. And yeah, I had quite a few moments, but I finally have gotten to a point where I've been brave enough to just go for whatever I want to express with my looks, and I don't really have anyone around me to limit me in those moments, so that's been a big part of it. There's always been someone who was like, oh no, your hair is so pretty, don't cut it, and you know, yeah, so it just like pushed me back, which I do like my hair. I like my hair when it's long, but I think going short has just been a bit of a spiritual thing for me as well, just to get rid of the baggage of my past and just to start fresh. And yeah, even though the outcome of this haircut isn't actually as short as I want, I basically just want to cut everything off and have it like maybe 1 centimeter from my face. But I have really, really thick hair. I think it would look really cactusy. Maybe one day I'll do it. But for now, there's still some hair that's left on the top. I know this was such a random video, but I just wanted to share with you guys. Also, the thing that keeps flickering in the back is the soap opera my mom usually watches. The outcome. I want to go shorter, but for now it's good. And then I'm going to go to a professional and probably make it shorter maybe after the surgery. But this is a nice start, and I like it because I can pretty much, like, I can also put it in a ponytail and it will seem like it's shorter, or if I wear a hat then I can put everything back and it looks really short. Got the surgery. I've literally just been sleeping forever, although I wasn't, they didn't put me to sleep for the surgery, which is crazy, but it worked out. They put like, I don't know, they injected pain relieving substance close to my skull. But yeah, I'm not gonna show any pictures of the scar or anything like that. I can feel it stretching, and the next couple of days I'm just gonna be chilling. And the point of me showing you guys this video or sharing this with you guys is so that you guys don't feel ashamed of yourself and to just embrace yourself, even, you know, with or without hair, or, you know, not in your best moments. I don't have any makeup on right now, but actually a lot of my videos I don't have makeup on. I either have too much makeup on or like a lot of makeup on or like none. It's kind of one or the other. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of share with you guys and, you know, just live life and be yourself, and yeah, don't be afraid to be who you are. Until next time, guys. Ciao.